Welcome to SED 287, which is your independent study for spring of 2025. I am Courtney File. I am your instructor for the semester. As you can see here, I am on 287092, but I am also going to be overseeing 093 and 094. I'm just using 092 here as an example. So you can see here that I'm currently on the home page. And on the home page, I just have a little bit of a description about the course. I have the syllabus linked, and then I also have my email linked here. If you have any questions or you want anything clarified, please feel free to contact me at any time. I'm happy to meet with you via Zoom by appointment. So the next tab that we have here on the left-hand side is the syllabus tab, and you can see here I just have the syllabus linked again. I have it linked in multiple places for you so that it is easy to locate should you ever need it. The next place that you're going to want to start is on the modules tab, and you'll see that there is a start here module that is at the very top. The intro video that you are watching right now is located in the module, in this first module. I will be sending out an announcement to let everyone know that this is located here and kind of how to get started. I also have the syllabus listed again, just for a third time, just in case anybody is ever looking for it and wants to quickly access the syllabus. You will have 4 modules to complete over the course of the semester. The first module that you'll be working on is working with English language learners. And you can see here at the top of the module, I have a note here of making sure that you complete the module, its contents, and assignments or quizzes by February 9th at 11:59 p.m. You can also see here that there is an assignment that will pop up in your to-do on Canvas, just making sure that it's a reminder to you that you do need to complete this entire module by February 9th. You'll see that this is 0 points because this is just a reminder assignment popping up in your to-do to remind you that you need to be completing this. This is a somewhat short module, so you have 2 readings, and then there is an assignment that goes along with this that's worth 15 points, and that is due on February 9th. Scrolling down, your next module is Assistive and Instructional Technology in Special Education, and you can see here I have the note again. This module will be due by March 9th at 11:59 p.m. And then it basically has the same format. The only difference with this module is that there are quizzes attached to it and not the assignment like the previous module. All of these modules will be open at the start of the semester, so you can complete these, if you want to kind of front load your work and finish them all before they're due, or if you want to work month to month, completely up to you. All of the assignments and the quizzes are open right at the beginning of the semester as well, so you don't have to wait for those to open. Those are things that you can be checking off your list, as you go. The next one is Pillars of Educator Excellence, and this is in partnership with the EFOS Center. You should have received an invitation to join a Canvas site for the EFOS Center. So you're going to be doing the majority of the work in that site, but you will want to watch this Pillars of Excellence module video. The EFOS Center does need you to complete all of the pieces by April 20th at 11:59 p.m. And then the last module that you have is Introduction to Special Education Law and IEPs. This module, its contents, assignments, and quizzes are due by April 27th at 11:59 p.m. So you've got a couple of parts here. There are some quizzes that go along with this, as well as some readings. This is going to kind of be an intro to SED 391, which you are taking over the summer, which is the Laws and Initiatives class. So there are some optional materials as well. Make sure that you are covering all of the mandatory materials. You'll know they're mandatory if they do not say optional. And then at the end of this, in part 2, there is an assignment on developing high quality IEPs. And you can see here that that due date is April 27th. So all in all, you will have 4 modules due over the course of the semester. You have about 1 due every month, one on February 9th, one on March 9th, and then you do have the EFOS Center piece is due on April 20th, and then the IEP piece is due on the 27th. Again, please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or if you'd like to meet to get some clarification. I am always happy to meet with anybody, or feel free to email me if you think that this is just an email question, not necessarily like a question that we need to meet about. I look forward to working with you across the course of this semester.